Welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. I'm going to plan today in my B5 Hemlock and Oak weekly planner. I'm planning for the week beginning the 13th through to the 19th of January. And I'm going to be using the Arctic Winter theme from Hubman and Chubgirl. She just did a re-release of this, as well as a re-release of another winter theme that is really adorable. It's one that I had never owned before, but this one I have, and it's one of my favourites. So let's take a look at it. And it is a mini planner kit, so we get 2 sheets. This is the first sheet, and this is the second sheet. And then I have some larger sticker sheets, and I have used some of them. So we have Narwhal and Walrus, Penguin Buddies, and Arctic Bear Friends. I will link below the first time I used this kit if you're interested, but this is a completely different planner, and it's such a gorgeous theme. Why not get 2 uses out of it? That's what I say. And speaking of getting 2 uses out of it, these were left over from the last time I used it, and I put them on one of the kit sheets like this, only with all the stickers pulled off, and then I put these on it, so I have the extra. Excuse my dog's pattering feet. And then I have some of the vinyls. So we have Mr. Penguin here wrapped up, little bear, narwhal, skating polar bear, and a walrus with a hat on. And then finally I have the smaller sheets in these. So we have Arctic Bear, Chilly Narwhals, Chilly Igloos, Winter Penguins, and Friendly Walruses. And I'll be able to put some of these leftovers in the main sticker collection in the winter section of my sticker book, so lots of use out of it. But let's get started with the main layout, and I'm going to do what I did last week. I'm going to draw my lines with my Unipin 0.1 down lower from Monday to Friday. And then on Saturday to Sunday, I'm going to leave this as a gap, and I'm going to use it to put the weather. So let's start off with that, as well as the dates up at the top.
I never thought that I would miss you like I miss you now. Maybe I have gotten used to having you around. Goddamn, I really need you. Never said it out promise me that it's worth it. I know it's getting late, but I wanna stay anyway. Come on, baby, lie with me till the morning. Love me like you do, and I'll forget that we're broken. I know it's getting late.
Aye, how fun. I don't think I'm going to move anything else over other than the labels. I'm just going to set these to the side this week on my desk, all these little decor stickers. And then, like I said, if I have any left over, I'll put them in my winter section. But anyway, let's do the plans. I just got my nails done and I'm going to have to be careful because I keep making little marks on my planner. Do you ever just get like a nail colour that does that randomly? I mean, they're gel. Anyway, right, so yes, where are we? I think I'm gonna do a week where I only use these and not pull from my main sticker kit for fun, even though it has like absolutely nothing to do with the plans, like, you know, putting out bins and stuff like that. That's what I'm doing. So, and my camera was not recording, so I don't know where it left off, but essentially, I am going to this week challenge myself to not use any stickers apart from stickers that are in the kit. Oh, I'm having a moment here because I'm so annoyed that that wasn't recording. Anyway, yes, I'm going to challenge myself that to only use stickers that are in the kit and nothing else, and it'll be fun to see what it looks like in the end with nothing but the theme stickers in this new planner's layout, and I'm really enjoying this planner. So yeah, I'm just writing in my plans for the week that I know in advance. So this is Tesco delivery, this is leave out bins, then this is what bins they are, and then nails, and then my mother-in-law's birthday. And then I'm not sure in relation to Tesco deliveries this week. I get paid on the 20th, but because it's on a Monday, it might go in on a Friday. And I've actually booked a delivery on the Monday and a delivery on the Friday. So I'm not putting anything in until closer to the time because I don't want to have to move things and score things out and all that there. I have actually another planner that I use that I can write them in, and I'm not scared of scoring things out. And I'm going to do an updated what planners I'm using for 2025 video soon, as well as, I think I mentioned this already, 5 years of decorative planning and stuff, so we'll have a good chat in that video. But anyway, that was lots of fun. I really enjoyed that. I hope you can forgive me for the little skip. Unfortunately, I cannot turn back time and re-record it, so there's nothing I can do about it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching and take care, and I'll speak to you really soon. Bye!